Okay. We're like actually chill now. So this took me like an hour to set up, dude. It was so bad. Okay. Okay, let me make sure we're streaming. I also get like chat and stuff. Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. I'll check the audio quick. Give me a second. Hold on. Let's check this real quick. Hold on. Let's check this real quick. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. I still need to get chat up, so I need to go here. And I need to do pop out chat on that, and I need to pop out chat on this, pop out chat, and then put them like this. There we go. Okay. Hopefully I don't get any downtime because I'm not watching the actual like stream output. Okay, whatever. Okay, we are redoing some of my neovim config tonight. Because my professor talks like unbelievably slow and it's so fucking painful. Or no, sorry, no, sorry. That's like completely wrong. He talks completely fast and it's horrible and it's awful. And I need a way to hand jam notes even faster. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So let me ping, stream ping. Copy link to stream. Share, copy, paste. Okay, that should work. Stream ping. Literal month. Plus my professor. Okay, stream ping. Okay. I pull up my to-do list. This is like actually gonna start pretty simple. Then we're gonna do like the more fun stuff later. Now, I haven't really done this before, or like anything this intricate before, so this might be a little bit interesting because I want to do some fancier stuff. Okay, so I'll wait. Make sure I'm not doxing myself. No, I'm not. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is what we're starting with. Yeah. So coloring is first. This is really basic. I just realized that there were some different highlight groups that I didn't get with this first thing that I did. So that's really just going to here, going to, I think it's, I actually forget, I'm not gonna lie. Color. Oh. Transparency and colors. Oh, okay. Why am I saying this engine? I mean, it's transparency and colors. I really need to like rework this at some point. It's like an ass. Hold on, let me open up MarkView, or the MarkView GitHub. Oh, let me also pull up screen key. Actually, you guys can't even see that, can you? Oh wait, no, you can't, because I still have my camera up there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I take a look at this, and look at highlight groups. Okay, not helpful. Highlight groups. There we go. Okay, so I need to see what highlight group this is, because it's okay. Here, let me pull up my notes real quick. Because I think I most recently opened my journal, and I really don't want to show that on stream for obvious reasons. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. So look. So this is fine, right? This looks good to me. I might make some tweaks on the color, but I as you saw, like the issue there is that when I go into visual mode, this goes back to being the same color, which is kind of hard for my brain. So I need to change that, and I'm not sure how to do that, 'cause I don't know if it's a different highlight group or if it's because it's in visual mode. Let me look at this specifically. So hold on, wait. New highlight groups visual mode. No. Okay, no, that's not. So let's see if there's anything about visual mode here. Am I even on the same page? No, I am. I'm just losing it. Okay, well that seems right. Okay, so this. Okay, can I just find? I just want to know why this isn't working when I'm running, or when I'm in visual mode, because it works fine if I am. Well, let me put this over here. Oh, okay, no, it's visual and insert. Okay, so is it? I wonder if it's the way that I'm doing this, the like color scheme thing. I'm not sure, because it should be fine. Let me look. So wait, my function is nvim set hl. So nvim set hl sl nvim set hl. Okay, so NSID is the namespace ID for this highlight. Okay, so highlight group globally. So that, yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and that's what that should be right. Let's see if there's anything in the configuration about this. Oh, let's see if someone's like had this issue and like already. Mark view colors, visual mode. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't seem like. Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be like a really manual debugging process, isn't it? Probably. Custom renders. Okay, that seems like unnecessary. I don't think I need to be doing that. So okay, I still feel like the highlight groups are where I should be looking. Okay, so this is what I'm targeting right now, the marquee palette 0. That should be fine, and that should work fine. But I'm wondering if there's like something else. Like, can I inspect, like directly inspect a color group, like as it's rendered? That'd be really helpful. Inspect color or highlight group. Sorry, highlight group. Yeah. No, but okay. So I guess I'm gonna start by going here, telescope highlights, and look for mark view. Maybe it's. I mean, it could. Oh, maybe it's that. Maybe it's the palette. Okay, I guess I'm kind of just looking at the ones that are like the same color. So okay, it could be the sign. So palette 6. Okay, let me try this. So also I can just do this. I just realized I don't know how to write a for loop in this. So we're gonna Google that. For loop Lua. I have like no idea what the syntax is for that. This is like way overcomplicated. Just show me how to do this. For init max min value. Just let me scroll, please. Thank you. Oh, that's like. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, I guess. So that's inclusive step. So it should look something like this. So for I. Okay, so for I equals 1, 2, 6, step 1, do end, and we want to slap this in here. Then I'll format this. Oh, actually, you know what? That's gonna create more problems than is necessary, because now we have to do like all the grub box stuff. Okay, we could do that at some point. But for now, let's just I can probably just ask AI to like refactor that or something. Because I'm gonna be too lazy to like manually do it myself. Okay, so let's try setting some of those highlight groups. So I guess, yeah, let's try like the palette signs. So, okay, this is where I could actually use for loop. So what is that, from 1 to 6? So 1 6 step 1 do and vim.api.nvim set hl 0. It's gonna be whatever it is plus I. Hopefully, okay, that should run fine. I think foreground is equal to grow. Let's just say orange for now. It really does not matter. I'm trying to figure out what color group this is. So mark view palette sign. So mark view palette sign. Realistically, there's no reason why it would be this, but like, it's worth a shot, you know. Yeah, it's not that. Okay, well, hold on. Let me double check and make sure that actually worked. So, hold on, let me just, hold on, I should make sure I'm still streaming now. I haven't checked that in a while. Yeah, no, we're fine. Okay, so what, should be telescope highlights, mark view. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, that is annoying. I'm gonna crash over this, I swear. So mark view palette. Did I get the color group wrong? Or highlight group? I keep saying color group. Telescope highlights, mark view palette 6 sign. So it should be palette whatever sign. I think that's fine, right? Like, yeah, no, that's fine. Okay, maybe we also just gonna really go outside of this just for future reference. Can I like print in Lua? I actually, okay, I guess I can. I don't use Lua a lot, if you couldn't tell. The back paste in. Okay, is this actually gonna output anything though? I restart neovim. Oh, it's gonna crash out. Oh, okay. Attempt to form if that guy string value. Okay, well that would probably explain why it's not working. Okay, so okay, yeah, it's the same issue. So let me just look up concat into string. I'm sure I could just need like cast or something. Oh, yeah, because concatenation isn't done with the plus; it's done with that. Okay, let me see if I get yelled at now. There we go. Oh, that broke something. Okay, maybe we'll just put this back in here for now. You know what? Even if it's not technically right, we'll just keep it working. You know, we'll just, okay. So that's the bookmark. I don't know what that is, but okay, that's just the bookmark. That doesn't matter. Okay, so what other colors are, or what other highlight groups are left? So gradient, foreground, and okay, wait, can I search by like GUI background? No, okay, I can't. Mark view icon. I mean, that wouldn't make sense, but a shot. Gradient 9 maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try palette 1 foreground first, or all of the palette foregrounds. So that I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Palette 1 FG. Is that spelled right? Yeah, it is. Okay. 7, quit, reopen. Okay, that did not work either. Let me make sure I actually did change this. Can I just, oh my god, just let me open the thing. There we go. Where are we going? Back to mark view. You know, that worked fine. Okay, so icon or gradient, I guess. So that's mark view, icon, there we go. Mark view icon, and then I guess we'll try that first in case that's, I don't know why that would be it, but okay, yeah, no. Oh, I also need to fix that LSP configure, fix LSP config thing. So actually add that to my to-do list. Okay, so it's not that. Why did I just reopen it? I didn't need to do that. Okay. That means that pretty much has to be this, or one of the gradients, unless it's this, which is no, that can't be possible because there's 3s here and they're the same color, and with the highlight group that we just saw, H3 and lower is a different color, so that wouldn't be possible. I think I guess maybe like markup like raw or something, markup heading. I guess that's probably my next best bet. Let's try the gradient first though. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do I191 do and paste in, go here, and this is gonna be, let's just say mark view gradient 9, mark view gradient I. Okay, let's try that. Okay, did not seem to work. Mark view. Okay, so everything in mark view is now converted to the colors I was using. So let me try, well, not again, but let me, mark. I'm wondering if it's like at markup.heading maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Let's just see. So what is it, like actually just markup.heading? I think it's weird, but like, and then maybe like the styling isn't forced with mark view or something. I don't know, dude. Oh, I was not happy. Maybe you're attempting to perform arithmetic on a string value. I'm not using a string value. Fuck are you on? Okay, well, no, it's not that. Shut out. 55, so it's, huh? What are you talking about? Not doing math on a string value. Okay, I'm guessing it's that. Okay, oh, maybe it's not. What? Huh. Okay. Well, it's not that. Why can't I source this? Deputy perform arithmetic on string value. Yeah, but I'm not doing that anywhere. You can grep for plus, and that's not showing up. Okay, let me just write this, run it. Oh, that was it. Okay, that's gonna make my life harder. Okay, I wonder if that's a config thing though, because I don't know why mark view wouldn't force this to be all of the headings to be the same color in visual and insertion mode. So maybe, okay, I wonder if there's like a setting for that. Let's see. So wait, hold on. At markdown.heading. I'm guessing this is like a default thing, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I should probably do that at some point. Wait, ZM? Huh? Have I just never heard of this? No, okay. Okay, good. I was gonna say, like, there's no way that that's, like, built into neovim. Right. Okay, good. I just had to, like, double check real quick. Okay. Okay, I can't find anything about that. Okay, let me look through config then. And we'll go from there. Configuration. Okay. Configuration. Structure. Markdown. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Not too much fun stuff here. I mean, I guess I could just, like, I mean, this isn't like a breaking change or anything. I could always just, like, manually, I don't know. I could just not bother with this, but it's kind of annoying, you know. So, okay, hold on. Just, like, search for visual. No, okay, nothing. HTML LaTeX, Markdown itself. Mark to enable, all these things, code blocks. Oh, headings? Shift width, origin, indent. No, it's not useful. Okay, horizontal rules? I'm looking for, like, visual here. Okay, nothing. Good talk. What workflow r/we're using when working with LaTeX? I don't use LaTeX that much right now, just as I'm not doing any, like, math heavy courses. So normally what I do, this could be optimized, mind you, or mind me. So if I have notes I want to take, hold on, I should find an empty LaTeX file. I think of, like, a template. I can just make a template. It's fine. So if I have, like, temp.text, firstly I have a snippet for all of the packages that I normally use, which is AMS Math, PowerSkip, and sometimes GraphicX. Not GraphicX so much, but I'm not really worried about, like, operational efficiency here. I'm just worried about doing this as fast as possible. So it doesn't really matter that much. So I have a snippet for that, and then, you know, type some math. I don't know, x equals 3, whatever. And then I use, I think it's called Vimtech. Yeah, Vimtech. The keybind for that, open up screen key. The keybind for that is \LL to compile, and then you get this nice little PDF that renders. This is rendered with Zathura, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. Zathura. Yeah, Zathura. So Zathura is just, you can use any PDF viewer you want. This is just, like, a nice simple one for me. It also, like, it feels kind of natural, like, you know, like, I don't know. It also supports Vim. Zathura mentioned, yeah. It also supports Vim bindings out of the box. So for Markdown and LaTeX, are you talking about doing Markdown and LaTeX, like, at the same time, or, like, in separate files? 'Cause I don't know how you do that, like in the same file. If you're just talking about, like, generic, not generic, but, like, just general Markdown, I just do everything from here. It gets a little bit, like, visually messy at times. Oh, rather rendering math Markdown. Yeah, this is scuffed. I'm not gonna tell you it's not. So it's, wait, I think it's, I don't normally do like any sort of math Markdown. I think it's that, yeah. So it's just this. It's totally scuffed. It's not great. But it's kind of the best I got. What do you think? So yeah, I really try and avoid doing math in Markdown. If I think I'm going to need to do anything past, like, a basic linear equation, like past this, I just go ahead and make it a LaTeX file. And you could just convert all of your, not all, but some markdown files to LaTeX files if you need to. I think, I forget how to do that. It's not hard to do, however I did it, but yeah, if I need to do anything with math, I just do LaTeX. There's obviously like a little bit more heavy lifting right off the bat, but it's not that bad, for the most part at least. mdmath.nvim? No, what is this? MDmath. I have not heard of this. Let me see. So we got here. I guess this is in a markdown file. Oh my god. Holy shit. That's nice. No, if I ever... What's that? If I ever do anything... Hold on, I'm organizing my thoughts. If I ever do any math in Markdown, I'm definitely using this. That's cool. So I guess it renders each LaTeX equation as an SVG, just at runtime, or not at runtime, but like, you know, that's cool. That's neat though. Oh my god. That's really nice. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that in mind. Let me throw that in my like notes or something actually, because that would, at worst, I'm gonna make a video on that at some point. That'll probably be like a year though. Video. Okay, that's in my notes now. Okay. So I like the colors. I don't want to just leave it like this, but I feel like I'm gonna spend so much time fighting with it that I'd rather just uncomment this and call it a day. And we're just gonna leave a friendly little message for me. Fuck insert and visual mode with my okay. That'll give me a nice reminder when I come back to this in like 6 months and wonder why everything is like a certain color. I guess I could do like, I could try like a nice white. Maybe that's nicer. I don't know. Oh, that's black. My bad. Why is FFF? No, okay, that's not nicer. I guess can I say it like that's distinctly different? So like, what would be a good color for this to switch to? Because it needs to be contrastive enough, but like not too much, you know? So I'm not an artist, nor am I good at color theory, even though I have notes on color theory. Okay, I don't have them on this machine. I have them on my laptop, which I haven't pushed to get yet. So maybe like, you know what? Fuck it, we're gonna open up like actually, you know, Grepbox probably has like a good like bright color maybe. The red would be like way too much. Maybe you want a lighter white, so D5C4A1. Okay, D5C4A1. Try that. Oh, that's like, okay, that's not gonna help me at all. What's a good color gonna be? Maybe, okay, so like Graphics yellow. No, because that's gonna be like the same thing. I don't know. Oh, the aqua. You know, I don't. Wait, do I? Nope, I use the aqua for the other headings. Okay, that's not gonna work. I think that's distinct enough, but like not too distinct. Is the green? You know, the green's in there. I use everything, I think, other than the red. Okay, you know what? We'll use the red. Why not? Okay, so just throw this here. Local box red. CC241D. CC241D. You're gonna be fine, buddy. So let's just go here and do grub box red. Okay, is that gonna get like obnoxious though? Maybe. Wait, I could do. Hold on, I could do the background. Grub box red. How about this? It looks so fire. Oh, okay. A little bit too much. A little bit too much there. A little bit too much. But I don't not like where we're going with that. Like, I like the idea of that. Kind of. Nah, not really. I take that back. Yeah, we're just gonna stick with the red now. Maybe I don't. I guess. You know what? Maybe. You know what? I think we're just gonna do the green. I guess that's. I don't want to. I mean, to be fair, I spend most of my time in normal mode, like anyone else. So, like, realistically, like this is fine. It would be nice if all the colors were the same, but I guess not. Okay, come on, like, are we sure that we can't change this? That'd be really nice, man. That'd be really nice. Tables, block quotes. Okay, it's a bunch of block quote stuff. Enable. Wrap border string. Code. I think we're getting like out of what I'm. Oh wait, headings maybe. Hold on. Shift width. Nope. Okay. Align. This is not. Yeah, not really useful here. So. Highlight group for heading. Yeah, that's not really useful for me. Okay, I do want to do. Okay. I'm gonna leave that at that for now, I think. But I do potentially. I just want to see what this looks like. So originally, these would have like a background to them. It's kind of nice. It was just a nice touch. Okay, this is gonna be very overbearing right off the bat, but I don't know. I feel like it's too much now. Maybe I need to like actually customize the colors with MarkView. 'Cause I feel like I'm probably not using this to its fullest extent. The style. This is like, oh my god, this is such a big config. Holy crap, there's so much. Okay, so it's mark that as, I'm guessing it's just require markview.config. Okay, that's not helping me. I'm guessing. Okay, are we in? I don't have a MarkView file, so I guess let's go here, and I really need to organize these even more, don't I? I do. I do. Why did my Lua bar just kill itself? Okay, whatever. Require MarkView dot setup. It's like the normal way to do this. Okay, I'm not well. Okay. I'm not getting any errors, so I change this to like add up. Okay, this should be fine. So MarkView like that, and then your code blocks and the headings enable true. Okay, so heading 1. I think this is where. Okay, so I think the style is what I'm interested in here. Maybe I'm not actually sure yet. I'm kind of just playing around with it for now and see if it works. So icon, highlight group, align. No, okay, so that. Okay, that's fine. We're right HL. HL. Okay, the style is... I don't want to worry about padding right now. I'm content with that. Low like heading, sports corner. I would like to see what label looks like. So I think it's basically like heading 1. So heading 1 style is label. So heading 1 style label. Heading is deprecated marked. That tells me what does that tell me? Huh? What does that tell me? Huh? Do you want like... Okay, I'm guessing you just want this? I don't know. Because that's like a really vague... Okay, that actually was right. Okay. Okay, that didn't really seem to change much, which makes sense, since I didn't really provide anything else. So, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Oh, someone joined the Discord. Oh, cool. Let me, this. Okay, go back here. Okay, so... This is a Corsair K100. Totally overkill. I got it for these function keys that I never use. Generally nice keyboard, but it was overkill. I could have gone with something else and probably gotten better value. Okay, so the icon. Okay, so what can I configure with the heading stuff? My headings is all this stuff. So align corner left. Text use it as the left corner of the label. Don't care about that. Highlight group. Highlight group. Highlight icon. I'm guessing. Just looking at this, I'm guessing that icon is that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like it is, honestly. I'll keep the mark view file. Evil logic of Lightspeed. Let me see. I've heard of that. I think Lightspeed. Oh, Lightspeed keyboard. Is it this one? I was gonna say I have this is a Logitech mouse. I love this thing, dude. Definitely a budget killer, but I love it. It's so nice. I've used it for like 2 or 3 years now. It's just like it does everything I need it to. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh, it has the same function keys, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, no, it looks really nice. I'm guessing you had like a similar experience that I did with this thing, that you just like you don't really use like the function keys, or like this is cool, but I use it like once a month, and I could have saved $100 and probably gotten like a custom keyboard or some shit. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna call it a day on the coloring because I can't be bothered for shit. Flat keyboards like that. I gotcha. Yeah, that's fair. Okay, no, I didn't actually kill my little line. I was gonna be so sad if I did. I was gonna be like, dude, what did I do? But I didn't. Okay, so the next thing is snippets. So this is like actually a workflow improvement, because what I've been doing for the last like 30 minutes has just been like me fucking around. This is like I actually need this. So I think wait. Let me make sure there aren't snippets for this already. Okay, they're not. Okay, so what I want to do is very simple. it should be... Oh, I also need, for this, I need to do... add another route here. I think like that? No, I need to do one more out, I think. So it should be like... Wait, shit. I was doing that? Okay, okay. I think like this. Okay, hold on. Let me try this real quick, because I think my idea with this... So, okay, right now I have... So I have pH. Oh, that goes like straight to the outside there. Okay, so... Oh, wait. There should be I1, I'm guessing. Delete, delete, delete. Right, quit. Okay, so I'm guessing... Okay, that still takes me to the outside. I have to look at the documentation for that. Because it should... I want it to take me to the inside first. Let me enter text, then go back to outside with just tab. Yeah, if you use Lewis snips, you don't have to add that many of your own snippets. Am I not using Lewis snip? No, I'm using Lewis snip. But wait, unless there's pre-made ones for Markdown. Lewis snip, Markdown. Cause I am using Lewis snip, but I have some custom ones I want to make, and unless there's ones for Markdown, which I would love it if there were. Let me see. Yeah, I can't find them. I can't find any with a quick Google search. I do wonder if there are snippets just from MarkView. Under advanced usage. Oh, header folding. Oh, is this a thing? Because that'd be really nice. I might look at that later. Single header for all links. Blah 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 blah. MarkView snippets. Let's just start here. H. The snippets isn't even on there. What? Okay. That's kind of tough. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna look for like a minute, and then if I can't find it, I'm just gonna make it myself. It's not gonna take that long. I just have to use my brain, which is hard for me sometimes. So, okay, let me look at the docs for this, because I do want to try and fix that, or fix the current one that I was trying to mess with, which is this one. Where's the documentation? Is there a website for it or something? No, there's not. Huh? A doc, I guess. Lewis snip.txt. It's just like the entire thing. I swear there were like really nice docs for this. What programming language do you like? Given the option, Rust, but there's not very much demand for that. So if my boss asked me, I'd tell him I love TypeScript. TypeScript and Python. And I'd leave it at that. No, I mean, in all seriousness, I really enjoy Rust and some other lower level languages like C. But there's just not much work for that, so I don't normally spend too much time working with them. Yeah. Okay, can you just please find the documentation for this? Please. Oh, there we go. Okay. This is what, okay, this is like actually what I'm looking for. Okay, so I need to look for insert nodes. I know there's like a way to do this. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, insert node. I've already configured the LSP for the new version of neovim. Yeah, I know we can do it. Actually, I very much know that we can do it natively now, because neovim yells at me every single time I open neovim. Close to the snippets in VS Code. For... Wait, hold on. Or HTML and CSS. I only use HTML and CSS ever. I do most things in JSX. Also, like, what kind of, I mean, other than like, I guess like, okay, I take that back. I was gonna say, I don't normally use an LSP for like HTML, but I do like all the time. I just don't really realize it. Okay, I gotta figure out why this isn't working because it's gonna make me crash out. Wait, is it? Huh. The insert nodes are visited in order 1, 2, 3, 0. That, okay. Not gonna ask questions. I'm just gonna assume that this actually needs to be 0. This needs to be 1. For some reason, I don't understand, and I'm not gonna try and understand. Okay, let me try this again. So, pH, there we go. Okay, the reason that I'm doing this, any linguistics fans in the room? Me neither. Because I was using my configuration, and because my configuration is trying to mimic lazy vim, after breaking my configuration, I just had to use lazy vim for the moment. I got you. Yeah, I got a LSP. I'm hoping the stuff that neovim neovim itself did is actually like really nice, because LSPs have always been like the bane of my existence. Yeah, tell me about it, dude. I don't even have time to stream. Or like, well, do like anything else. That's partially because I'm working like 2 jobs at this point. Okay, so here, okay. The fruits of my labor. Type this now and go out. God, it's beautiful. This is nice for typing phonetic stuff. So if I want to like type the phoneme A, there we go, like that. Okay, cool. Okay, so the other things I want to do. So this should be easy. H1 and T. So this should just be a single hashtag and then insert node at 1. Because apparently we start indexing at 1 and we end our index at 0. Because I don't fucking know, dude. I guess it makes sense for like bigger snippets, but it's still kind of annoying to me. And yes, I do live every now and then. Can I like, okay, I don't know if that's gonna work the way I think it's gonna work. Let's see. So I should be able to do now. So I should do H1. Oh shit. Okay. I'm guessing. Okay, I actually just remembered something. There's like a thing for this, because LewisSnip won't let you do this. Like, won't let you do new lines for some reason. New line Lewis bit. I probably should look at actually like what's here. So no, this is fine, because there's text node, choice node. Yeah, there's nothing directly for new lines. Okay, let me see what this is about. Flashbang. Oh, right, long string. Okay, so I think what I need to do, I don't know, but I think what I need to do is basically this. Wait, no, I don't want this though. I don't want this. I don't want the quotes here, because this needs to be like single quotes. So it needs to be like this, and then okay, my format is just gonna kill itself. Okay, then so I type blah blah blah, and then okay, wait, hold on. I got this. Don't worry, guys, don't worry. Okay, so we're gonna put a space there, right? And then we're gonna do I0 to end. Okay, let's try this. So it should be H1, type something. That did not work. Okay. Okay, that's tough. Okay, you're just gonna format like that. Okay, do I need to add like multiple new lines or something? I don't know how these strings work, or if they even are strings. Oh, yeah, contains new lines. Okay, bro. Okay. Let me see if I find anything about this. Maybe. Oh, isn't there like a thing for this? Wait, maybe. Oh, okay. Lewis snips at FMT. Okay. FMT. Okay. Oh, author snip is kind of funky. I'm not reading all that. Can't be bothered. Okay. Format. I think okay, I don't know what this does, and I'm not reading it, because who has the time for that shit? Not me, bro, not me. So we do format. Okay, how about this? Reload. Oh, it's like tweaking out now. Okay, I'm guessing it's gonna break if I do this. Yeah, it's not gonna break. It's just not gonna work, which makes sense. Which is fair, you know. Okay, let me look at what this actually wants. Is it like? Okay, I'm gonna have to like actually read this. So it's format can be used to define snippets in a much more readable way. This is achieved by borrowing. Okay, I don't care. Accepts a string and a table of nodes. Each occurrence of a delimiter pair in a string is replaced by one node from the table, while text outside the delimiter is turned into text nodes. Okay. Don't understand that at all. Format nodes. So with like this is like. Okay, so like just this example alone. I'll like throw this in like real quick because I can't. My brain's too slow for this tonight, guys. You'll not understand. Temp dot lua. There we go. Okay, whatever. Okay, so we FMT and then this is okay. I don't know why we have to have that, but we do. So okay, I guess I can just do an empty table. I don't. Maybe okay. This is like it would drive me insane. Okay, maybe that. How about that? Okay, it didn't blow up. H1. God damn it. Hate my life. Expand tabs and nil value. Okay, so I'm guessing it's something with that. Because if I can I just kind of do like a simple new line in Lewis snip. That's all I'm asking, guys. All I'm asking. Cannot be that hard. Please. It's not gonna work, is it? Worked out problems. No. Okay, cool. That's not useful. Lewis snips are working with snippets. Try this. Okay, I'm just gonna keep struggling with this, I guess, because like why not? Okay, so oh wait, hold on. Here's an example with an indent. Okay, this is something. We're getting somewhere here. Is it? Huh? Wait, I'm stupid. That's an indent, not a new line. Okay, so that. Wait, is it like? Huh? This is so confusing, dude. This is. What the hell? Can I just like? All I want to do is add a new line. It cannot be that hard. Like, there's no way. Let me. Lewis snip examples. I could also just like look at the source, but I also don't want to do that because I'm lazy. Maybe. Okay, you know what? I guess we're actually just gonna like look at the. This thing says examples snippets at Lua. This better be a good examples file. It is. Look at that. Yeah, that's too much to read. Okay, we're just gonna go with the FMT. So if that. Huh? This shit's so confusing, bro. This shit's so confusing. Okay. Can I... Do I need to do like an extra? I'm actually like totally lost. Okay, what if I just do was that what the thing was? Like that general like idea of it? I think. Okay, so like something like that. Okay, how about this? How about this? In my mind this works. Oh, that was the wrong one. That was the wrong one. H1. God damn it. Expand tabs. A nil value. Okay. In my mind, it worked. Practice, it did not. Okay, you know what? You know what? How about we scrap the idea, doing a new line, right? Okay. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. This one. Hear me out. This one. What if we just act like this works? So if you just do like this, and do H1, and hit enter manually, like uncivilized people. No? Okay. I guess that's not that I just that's gonna be so annoying. Like yeah, that's gonna be so annoying over time, dude. And I'd rather not do that. So maybe this feels like a ChatGPT question, I'm not gonna lie. I really don't want to. But like okay, maybe oh wait, okay, hold on. I do think I just realized why this was not wait, no, that should be working fine. Right? Yeah, okay, like because like if I remove this and everything, right, if we should go back to like back to basics, we get this. That should work unless we do like I2 and then like H1. Nope. Okay. Make sure there's like no quick solution for this. Expand tabs, a nil value. Lewis. Yep. Let's check this real quick. I guess I think this is just gonna be something that I need to troubleshoot myself. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's go back to troubleshooting, I guess. So, this should be, let's call that I0, and... okay, why is this not working, bro? Why is it not working? Oh my god. I see no reason why this shouldn't be working. Oh, wait. Is that all in an S? No, it is. We're chill. Indent, string. I'm honest, I don't even know what that's supposed to do. Okay, whatever. So... maybe if there's like a new line string? Question mark? Repeat duplicates, dedent, trim np, strict, delimiters, to some other pair. Okay, apparently not. So I'm gonna crash out this dude. I'm gonna lose it. I swear. No key is given, everything becomes numbered automatically. So that's like one. Okay, that makes sense. So okay, well I guess this would need to be one then. One then. Let me try this. See if this works at least. Do you want to be anything when you grow up? Rich and balling like, just balling like crazy, right? No. I'm probably gonna end up doing software engineering. Majority of everything. Yeah, for the majority of my life, I guess. Nothing in specific. If that's what you're asking. I want to not be like chronically online. How about that? that's quite the goal. I should probably stop using neovim if I want to achieve that goal, but you know, priorities, right? Priorities to be cracked at neovim. To escape a delimiter, do that. Format a string. If no key is given, we're gonna create the next Pirate Bay. I don't know if I don't have like a passion for you heard me. I get that a lot, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I get similar comments to that. There's one day in a single day I had this girl, okay, I had a girl tell me that I looked like the kind of person that liked math. I had a high schooler tell me that I looked like someone who liked computer science. I had another high schooler tell me that I looked like Luke Skywalker, which I think is not not an insult inherently. I mean, I don't think he's like a solid, 10 out of 10 guy, but like, he's not absolutely chopped. So, it's not bad, right? It's not bad. And I had someone else tell me that I looked like someone who uses neovim, which is just it's so bad, bro. No, but like Pirate Bay though, I don't have any sort of like passion for piracy. If I went anywhere with that, I would probably go I would probably go the route of like torrenting, or like making something for torrenting, like I've kind of been doing the last 6 months. I just haven't like done anything in the last month. No, actually that guy might, because we were talking about Arch Linux, so he might. But yeah, no, if I went like that route with like open source stuff, it would probably be something with torrenting, or some other like decentralized application. Takes one to know one. Yeah. Just because of all the censorship that's going on, like torrenting would be nice, even if it's like generally just used for piracy. I realize that and accept it. I think torrenting, but like actually like bringing torrenting to everything would be kind of cool, but even then it's not really like, not like my dying passion. Dude, I just, all I want to do, bro, is make a new line. You know what? Okay, no, I'm done, bro. I'm done. We're going to ChatGPT, bro. We're going to ChatGPT. I do not care. I do not care. How to make a new line with the Lua snip neovim plugin. Just set. What do you mean? What do you mean? Message is empty, huh? Are you tweaking? Make a new line. Just show me that's all I want to know. I just want to make a new line. Dude, no, it really is. Like I'm not. Try Claude. No, I know Claude is like generally better for this stuff. Okay, is it no, is it actually just that? Because I'm gonna lose it if it is. There's no way it's like just that. Cool project, thank you. No, because there's like no way. There's no way, right? No, because it should go like all go on the same line, right? That's why I understand. Like until you manually decide it's a new line, it's, yeah, no, it that doesn't work. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe, oh wait, maybe it's onto something. If it's like, hold on, we're going on a tangent here. I don't really care. So maybe it's like, wait, hold on, can I put insert nodes in text nodes? Can I do like I1 like that? I don't know. Let's try. The nice thing about this is once I figure it out, I can do the others really easily. That does not work. That makes sense. Okay, so I can do this. Let me see if the new line thing works. Let me just do like that. H1. Okay, that works. Okay. It's possible to make a new line. It's physically possible. idea. I mean, I've been looking for someone to take notes and be highly similar to Visual Studio AI. Neovim, dude. It depends on what you're taking notes for. It also depends on the professor. Like, I'm like working on this partially because my neovim, because my linguistics professor like talks so fucking fast, dude. Like, it's not even funny. Like, it's genuinely bad. Like, everyone in that class is struggling because he goes through like a good 100 or so slides in like 30 minutes. I'm not even joking. But my point is, neovim, if you need to take notes fast, but otherwise just do it like what makes you feel comfortable. Messing around with building models, algorithms on the play market, I make $2. Holy shit. $2 is insane. I mean, that's more than what I'm getting paid right now. To be fair, to be fair, I'm doing an unpaid internship for context. Yeah, state of my life. Okay, let me try. It does say that's kind of what this is in a way. Like, hold on, let me make sure I'm not like. Hold on, let me just take this. I know. Okay, he's told me that he's gonna offer me a paid position. If they get the money. Which is obviously there's no contract there, and I'm obviously not expecting him to. I have no expectation that ever will happen, but I'm like actually cracked out of my mind in that role, so I'm not confident. It's a software development internship, web development specifically. It is actually he wouldn't mind me promoting the website looks like shit right now because it hasn't been pushed. Yeah, I'm not even gonna like link the website because it looks like dog shit right now. Yeah, web dev. Yeah, when the UI designers that aren't doing anything, like doing absolutely nothing right now, when they actually like do something, I will I'll get those pushed to main and get it merged and get oh my god, my brain's getting slow. I will get it pushed to main and pushed to prod, but they're not doing like jack shit right now, so yeah, we're kind of just like waiting for them. $100 a month, dude. I would take anything. I potentially am getting a second internship that would be paid. The pay wouldn't be like too great, but it would be, I think it would be like 20 or 25 an hour, which is not bad, especially for a student and a freshman. So I'd be chilling with that. Okay, so I can't do this, can I? Any tips? I'll lock in, bro. Like, honestly. Okay, here, I can, hold on. Let me make sure I'm not doxing myself here. I don't think I am. Hold on. Yeah, I'm not okay, hold on. I want to hide the interviewing tab just because I don't want people to see where I'm currently interviewing. Okay, so I am a freshman. So take that, take what I say with a grain of salt. Okay, so I've applied to 34 internships, gotten one callback. My buddy, who is I mean, he's pretty like cracked out of his mind. He's gotten like 5 internships, and he is a senior, so he's about to be a new grad. 250 apps, 0 callbacks. Dude, the job market is just fucking toast at this point. I don't even know what I'm gonna do after college. Just like start my own company, I think. I don't even know. Time to like taking notes, dude. Literally though. Yeah, I know. Did I hire you? Sure. Dude, that's so real though. Like, I feel like that's some shit I would do. Like, I would just forget to put a shirt on, and it would be like I would totally do that. I'm gonna be frank. I would not even be surprised if I pulled some shit like that. It's so bad though. Okay, so ChatGPT is just like useless for this. Okay. Yeah, so it's just impossible to make a new line. I guess. Yay. Okay. Let me just try this with like text on both sides, unless this is like magical in some way. H1. Yeah, replacement string item contains new lines. Do I need like allow new line or some shit? I don't know, dude. Yeah, but yeah, job market's cook. No, dude, that's what. Okay, so when I started at uni, I'm like, this is, I just work at this point. Like, I don't even, like, I just work. So, like, for the most part, like, when I got to uni, I was like, okay, I want to get an internship or a job or some sort of position and, like, related to comp sci as fast as possible, for experience, but also, you know, money, which is ironic since I'm doing an unpaid internship. But ignoring that, I went to a few professors and asked like some advice for my resume, and yeah, I just recently learned from my buddy that most of those professors have like never had experience in industry. So like, not that their advice is bad, but like everything they're telling me is like stuff that I could either look up online or that isn't like up to date. So like, yeah, like my uni is not really great for internships. I mean, most aren't. But yeah, okay, here, let's see who I take. The job market isn't cooked right now. Same number of jobs relative to grads as before. Application process has been so streamlined that people don't feel like they're getting jobs because they're starting to apply faster and jobs can keep up. Tech industry has always taken the same amount of time to get a job. Clicking buttons. I mean, I don't know. I can't give much of an opinion on that. Like, I'm 18. I don't know shit about this. My immediate reaction to that, though, is that yes, potentially, but at the same time, like, does it really take like multiple weeks to get back to somebody? Like, that seems insane. Maybe that's normal, and if it is, then you're probably not wrong. But like, I mean, so he's done like 250 apps over like, I think 2 or so months. I don't know. I have to ask him. Dang, if you're watching this, tell me how many apps he's done in like the last few months, because I'm kind of curious. But like, yeah, like, it doesn't mean it's not scuffed. Well, it's the same amount of scuff that's always been, I feel like, and I knew that coming into this. I knew that 2 years ago. But this is what I do. So, like, your parents' generation, they begin laid off, taking time. Yeah, nah. A year to get rehired though is like insane. Like, I don't know, man. If I can end up working for the government for like a year or two, unfortunately, I really don't want to do that. But like a year to get rehired though, I don't know. I'll form my own opinions like as I go through this. I can't have much of an opinion on this right now just because I haven't experienced this too much. It goes insane because in a year you can probably do 1,000 jobs in a year, but so can everybody else. Yeah. I normally try and do like quantity over quality, and one that's just apply to jobs that I'm very confident I could like run that fucking company if I got that job. And two, like, I always reach out to the hiring managers at this point. Like, and also to be fair, like I'm normally not working with, but applying to startups, because that's just the easiest thing to do at the moment. Like, instead of trying to get into like, Lockheed Martin or some shit. And I think I think the quantity over quality may help in the long run, but it's also a little bit more work, naturally. So maybe not. We'll see if I get any callbacks from like the last 15 apps I've done, which have all been both regular application and a message to the hiring manager about how I'm like so cracked at Fortnite. They should hire me because of that. just become a solo indie dev and spend 2 years to create a game like it 6 sales. No, honestly, the thought of doing something like that is there. I have software as a service ideas, as well as like a full scale business idea. And if I get to my senior year, I mean, honestly, if I get to my junior year and I'm still getting like absolutely railed by all these internships, that sounds really bad. I really gotta filter myself a little bit. If I'm not getting any internships or like offers or anything, like I'm probably just gonna start my own company at that point. Like I would rather suffer through that and spend a decade like making my own company than like trying to find a job myself. But I'm hoping it doesn't come to that, because I also really don't want to do that. Because yeah, okay. New lines. Just magically work, please. If it feels hard, that's a good sign you're doing the right thing. Yeah, I will. Yeah, yes, I agree with that, and I'm hoping that I actually see some results from that, like at least something, you know. I'm just glad I'm doing this a little bit early, because dude, they're like, I know like a good number of comp sci seniors that have like never had an internship. And like, not that you have to, right? Like there's so many other things you can do with comp sci that, you know, isn't software engineering. And okay, this is gonna be like a pain in the ass, isn't it? Whatever. But like senior year and you've done nothing, like I would be nervous at that point, man. I know I'm like generally a little bit on the I want to say antsy, but like don't even know what pointers to yet. Oh my god, bro. No, honestly, that's not even that bad. Okay, so first, I'm not going to like some like Ivy League uni, so to be fair, to give my classmates some grace, my classmates. Okay, so I'm in a second year comp sci class as a freshman because I got AP credits. We spent like the first month going over for loops, dude. First month, bro. I swear it was so bad. Yeah. I was taught in my game dev / coding class a system of asking. Oh, dude, seriously? That is crazy. Oh my god, they're teaching you to be a prompt engineer. Nah, that's insane. That's like actually insane. How many units? Maybe units. The thing is, even if you don't get an internship by your senior year, you're not cooked. She speaks volume and taking on ambitious personal projects. No, and you're totally right. The problem is I don't think they've taken on personal projects. Like, I don't think they have, bro. Like, which again, to each their own. This is just what I'm doing with my time at college. They're doing their own thing, and that's awesome. I do envy how just relaxed they are. Like every time I see them, they are like they just enjoy life, dude. Like they're, you know, it's going to take a while for them to get out of their parents' house, which is not an insult to them. It's an insult to the economy, because you know, everything's cooked. But like, dude, they just enjoy life. Yeah, I'm not gonna act like every day is the best day when like I'm working this much. So I do kind of envy them sometimes. Yeah. Okay, can I just please show me how to do this, bro? Please. This cannot be that hard, bro. This cannot be that hard. Like, I've been on this for like an hour, dude. I swear I've been on this for an hour. Restore node, dynamic node. I want a... Oh, I think... Okay, not a snippet node. I think it's just like a text node. I think it's just a text node. I have a professor of mine. Holy shit, that's insane. I don't think I had anything that bad. I think I had, let's see, so I did this like course over the summer. It was like 3 free credits. So I was like, you know, it's free credits. It's basically free money, right? So it was like a course on like how to use AI. Like it was oddly encouraging to like it was oddly encouraging me to use AI. It was very weird. Yeah. Kind of odd, not gonna lie. Wait, hold on. I got the best idea ever. Hold on. Great for this. Get ready for this. Are you ready for this? It's gonna work. It's gonna work. God damn it. Okay. Why did that not work? Oh, wait, hold on. Put this here. Okay, right. Okay, we do that. Okay. Hold on. I swear I'm going somewhere with this. I swear. My first year in the very first lecture. Bro, no way. That's crazy. No, dude, ChatGPT use at my school is, I don't want to say it's like rampant, but it's not great. I don't know if it would be considered like above or under average, but it's not great by any means. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. 45 minutes in, and we did it. Oh my god. That took way too long. Okay, I need to change one thing because I want to make that like, I think multiple units down or whatever, like whatever. Yeah, dude, that took way too long. So I think we're just gonna do this and then do this basically. So, oh, also I forgot to open up screen key. That's probably gonna make this a little bit more entertaining. Yeah, dude, I know. Now I don't know if it's like the way I've set my LSP, but the LSP for Lua, at least for me, has always been like dog shit. So doing this stuff is like an extra pain in the ass. I've probably done something wrong though, let's be honest. Okay, so H1, we type header name. Okay, that did not go where I wanted it to. That's probably because I'm being a dumbass though, and this needs to go over here. And when this goes over here, it's gonna work. Oh wait, why am I doing this? I just realized I can just add another one. Okay. Why are you complaining? There we go, thank you. Quit. And then, okay, so H1. We type the header, press tab. Oh my god. I mean, look, I don't want to say I'm a genius, but like, some days, man, some days. I think I can make this a little bit like, can I like map the, I don't, you know, I was gonna say like, can I like map this and be fancy? I don't. Cannot be bothered. Actually, you know what? No. We have to make this look nice. We have to make this look nice. So it's for I equals 1, 6, step 1, do, and I don't know. Can I like map this? Okay. Can I like, hold on. What does this return? What is it like a string? What does it do? I don't know, dude. I'm so JavaScript brained. I don't know if this actually works. Lua map. Map function Lua. Stack Overflow is probably gonna be a little bit better. So maybe, yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna act like I can be bothered to do this. So we're just gonna call it this. You know what? Okay, so we're gonna do this. For header 2s, it's gonna be this. For header 1, for header 3s, guess what it's gonna be? Wow. Surprised, aren't you? Entertained. 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll make sure that works real quick. That should be fine. So now I should be able to do like, okay, header 3. my header and then tab and start typing. Cool. I know, dude. Yeah, that's... I'm just like, this is so scuffed. Improve when it isn't 1 a.m. Cool. Whatever. Okay, what else do I want to do? To do is, I like open up this and look. No, dude. Oh my god. Are you shitting me? I just broke my 300-day commit streak. I just broke my 300-day commit streak because I didn't commit this. Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna need to mentally compensate for that. That 300 days. 300 days straight. And I broke it because I forgot to commit my changes in neovim. Are you... Dude, there's no way. There's actually no way. That's... Dude. Okay. I'm just gonna... Okay. To compensate a little bit. To be fair, this looks scuffed anyways, right? Because... Right, this whole section, I was working on a branch that never got merged, right? And the place that I'm working at squashes commits, so like I don't get, so I get like one commit for like 30 commits, which is scuffed. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna act like that commit streak never happened. There goes that video idea. Okay, god damn it. I was gonna make a video. It was gonna be a banger video. It was gonna be, I held a GitHub commit streak for 1 year. Only made 300 days though. Okay, well, you win some, you lose some. Onwards we roll. Okay, we add some snippets. Actually, what other snippets do I want to add? What's killing my workflow here? Dude, yeah, it's so real though. No, dude, I started December 15th last year. I never bullshitted anything, never, I don't say like forged, but like, you know, never did anything that would like be considered to be like, you know, not my commit, like no dependent bot PRs, you know. Damn. It's so tough. Yeah. Okay. To be fair, it depends on what you consider bullshit commit. Because like, okay, I keep my notes on GitHub. So if you consider, okay, my justification for that is that every commit contains something in LaTeX, which is Turing complete. In my defense. I also, there were like 1 or 2 days where I opened issues instead of like making a full commit. But dare I say, I opened like reasonably well detailed issues, so I think it counts. I'm definitely compensating. Look, bro, look. The days that I was doing that, I was camping, dude. I was in the mountains. I was in the mountains on my laptop, on my phone hotspot. Getting a commit in. You gotta believe me. You gotta believe me. Okay, well, it's that. Okay, how else is my workflow being killed? I know there's one really big thing that I'm gonna do next. But I should try to think like what else? What else can I do that would like speed everything here up? I don't not like anything that I'm doing, you know. I'm actually quite happy with it. Possibly different colors in the future. I'm not unhappy with it though. Okay. If the professor's talking way too fast and I'm taking notes, what's cramping my workflow? Oh wait, hold on. Okay, something I was thinking about. Can I like spell check fix everything in like a certain selected area? spell check fix all neovim, because sometimes when I'm like cranking out notes as fast as possible, I kind of naturally just forget, and then or not forget, but like misspell things. Wait, can I like, how about this? Or do like more and then door? Okay, can I like z equals? I can't. Okay, I can only do it on a single word. Just make a map. I mean, for spell check. But I think I do like. Wait, no, I don't do that. Like, oh god, just let me. You're such a pain in the ass. Vimothy. Oh wait, is that the guy that I'm thinking of? Sylvan Franklin. Is that? Oh, it is him. Okay, I was gonna say I'm sure he does. I pulled up his YouTube on over here. Yeah, like I say, I'm sure he does. I cannot be showing who I subscribe to on stream, so I'm not gonna drag the playlist over. Okay, so let me just look at like neovim spell check docs. Yeah, spell. Search backwards. Next misspelled word. I was gonna say, so I can probably like, I guess what I can do is like have a binding for visual mode. So if I'm in visual mode and I press like just some key, it will go to the next word that's misspelled and fix it. I guess. I mean, we'll see how well this works. Okay, so let me try that. How many changes do I have? Now we're chill. 300 commit streak. I'm still seething over that, bro. Oh my god. No, that's crazy though. That's crazy. 300 days in the gutter. In the gutter, dude. In the gutter. Crashing out. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. We just gotta move on. Is it a remap? No, remap, I guess that's not the wrong place to put that. Navigate to and fix X misspelled word. So it should be vim.api.nvim set key map in visual mode. Okay, so let's say it's like spell fix. I don't know, dude. Wait, but doesn't, wait, okay, yeah, that SF won't work, so maybe like, well, F won't work either. Okay, how about like, okay, Y won't work, U will not work. Wait, right? No. If I have some key that's not being used, I just need to do leader F. Like leader SF. Leader SF. Oh, that might be like kind of painful to do, like leader SF. Let's just do leader F. I don't know. Okay, so this should be, so it's next word. Wait, is there just like a keybind for this already? Honestly, there probably is. Yeah, leader C to 1Z equals. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. I see where you're going with this. Okay, so next misspelled word after the cursor. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. This could be next misspelled word, and then 1Z. Okay, let's try that. Let me source that. Oh, that's probably gonna be mad because it already exists. Oh god. Okay, we're just gonna throw this in here too. No, remap equals true, silent equals true. Nah, we're chill. I was just being stupid. There we go. Okay, so should we leader F in visual mode? Oh, that's weird. Also, that should probably just be in normal mode. Like, why am I putting it in visual mode, you know? Okay, so normal mode. There we go. Maybe, hold on. I'm trying to think like a way to make this a little bit better. Because the problem I have now, because like okay, so like this in this case, this is fine because I'm writing about morphemes here, and like in my eyes is not misspelled, but obviously to neovim it is. So any way to like skip over that? Maybe, I don't know, because I don't know. Maybe if I like, how about I just like add like little I gotta think about how like I want to do this, because maybe I do just a way to move to the next word a little bit faster. Like, how about M? M doesn't seem to be used by anything. Okay, how about M? Okay, so let's, okay, so this will just be purely move to the next word, which I know is like such a shorthand for a shorthand, but I don't really care. So in this case, like M will just go straight to the next word. Okay, that seems great. And then let's just do capital M, we'll go backwards. So this will go backwards. Let's quit. So then, oh, that's not doing what I thought it was. Is it? What is it? So it's, oh, it's just the other way around. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Kind of weird though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so it's this, but it's this instead. So, okay, then, there we go. Okay, and then, but if I like actually want to fix something, maybe like, okay, so here I'm like, okay, I want to fix that. Cool, right? Okay, I think that's fair. That fixes some of my workflow issues that I've been having. Okay, what else do I want to do? What's do I want to do here? I guess that's kind of it in that vein of things. So, okay. Oh, okay. This is gonna be hard because I don't know how to do this. I want to make a shortcut for creating a new file. I want to automatically populate the file based off of the file name, which is in theory not that hard, but at the same, no, okay. Let's break this down, because the problem, the hard part is not doing this, it's doing this in Lua. So yeah, okay, let me put this in, like, I guess I'll put it in here. I don't really know. I gotta reorganize this for like the 4th time this year. Okay, so we need to make command. We have create file based off of user input. So example, thoughts on ChatGPT as in general, as a coding tool for software development specifically. What do you mean? Please do specify. So okay, but like my file would be like create new. It would obviously be shorthand, but create new my file. Wait, maybe I do like create markdown. Oh, okay, that's not gonna work. So nmd my file create. It's gonna be markdown only for now, because I feel like that's I can do LaTeX in the future, but I really need markdown right now, because the whole like creating a file process is really cramping everything. Because like if I want to create a new file, go ex %, and type file name .md and to enter the file name at the top, and then I can start taking notes. And that takes like 15 seconds, which sounds like not a lot, but my professor is normally through like 2 slides by that time. So we gotta fix that. Okay, markdown file based off of user input for software development. So here, I will give you what I put in. No, well, it's, I would do snippets, but it's like, how much time am I saving? Because like, okay, so if I create a new file, I'm like, okay, so like all I really have to type is hashtag file name, enter, which isn't really that much, you know? So like realistically, like snippets are not bad. They would, oh my god, yes, yeah. I don't know if you were here when I was showing that other person snippets for latex, but I literally have like a template, like it's base text. Yeah, that's, I just do that for everything. Here, I will give you, sorry, 369, I got off topic. I will give you what I put in the contributing MD for the backend for the company that I'm working at. Use of AI, Copilot, ChatGPT, etc. If AI can comfortably speed up your workflow, then use it. However, absolutely no vibe coded / primarily AI generated PRs, Claude.md and cursor rules do not exist and will not exist for a reason, because security is too much of a concern, specifically on the back end, to allow entirely vibe coded PRs to be merged. It's definitely, it's like web dev is a whole different world when it comes to AI. I don't think that's even debatable. There's just so much boilerplate and just like slop to go through. Like not like content slop, but like just literal just slop to go through just to make like a single component. And I think AI can help speed up a lot there. But I don't use it personally. I know people who do, but I with neovim, honestly, like I am partially joking when I say, like, you know, I have neovim and vim macros, like why do I need anything else? But I'm also kind of serious because like I have neovim and vim macros, like why do I need anything else? But I do use it for like really nasty boilerplate on the occasion. So I don't think it's bad in web dev. I just think that people overuse it. And I also think there's a lot of juniors who have no clue what they're doing, because they've gotten to the point that they've gotten to just like entirely using AI, which is not great. Populate file based off of file name. Oh, and in regards to like anything else, like any other form of software development, honestly, it's pretty dog shit in my opinion. Like, I mean, I realize there are some areas where it excels, but like, you still gotta use your brain, and you're either gonna write the code yourself in neovim because you're super awesome, or you're gonna get something from ChatGPT and have to read through it and debug it yourself. So like, I don't like. It's helpful in a pinch, like with the new line stuff, but even then it wasn't helpful because it didn't actually figure out the new line stuff. So like, yeah, dude, I don't know. Well, I should populate buffer. Nah, bro, I don't want Copilot in neovim. Do not want Copilot in neovim. The one thing that I have considered getting is the it's the, oh god, what is it? I don't know what it's called. It's the thing in Zed. It's like AI, but like really debuffed, which is actually kind of nice because it just does snippets. So like if I was typing, okay, let's say I'm doing Python, and I have like a dict and I start typing for key, for key value and dict, that autofill will just immediately pop up and have an autofilled like for loop. I think that's super nice. I guess that's more machine learning than large language models at that point, but still, my point is, that's really nice, and I enjoy that on the occasion. But like past that, I don't want Copilot in neovim. Okay, so this is real. This is doable. This is doable. Just gotta believe myself, you know. I haven't created a vim command in so long, dude. See this even exist. CMD key map. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna look up how to create a nvim command because I kind of forget. Create nvim command. Oh my god, so sad. Oh, okay. Well, it was just deprecated. What do you mean? That's scuff as hell. Okay, well, I guess right, not using that. I could if I wanted to, I guess, but I also don't feel like doing that. Okay, so is it create user command? I don't know. Hopefully, create user command. Okay, so it's string or lure function. Create user command. User command. Open that. Okay, so that should be like. Okay, yeah. This is what I'm looking for. So, what class are you? Oh, this. Oh, well, I guess. Are you asking like what professor is forcing my hand here? So it's my linguistics professor. Like, bro, I shit you not. That class is 50 minutes, dude. He covers like at least 50 slides in like 30 minutes. I'm not even joking. I'm not exaggerating. And like it's challenging content, and like I cannot commit that shit to memory that quick. Like no one can. Like everyone in that class is struggling. I had people come to me for help, bro, because they think I'm doing better, and I'm doing well. Well, I'm not doing better, you know. Anyways, new markdown. Create a new markdown file with the header. I don't need documentation for my own functions. So I'm taking tool for my classes. Yeah, I initially did this in high school, which was really, I later realized was kind of useless because it's high school, but it was still fun. Okay. Wait, dude, they do. Like, no, it's insane. It's genuinely insane. Like no, like like today he was, God, what was it? Oh yeah, because he hadn't explained like the fucking project at all, and people were asking about it. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm gonna lose my train of thought here real quick. Someone in Twitch chat said this. Want to see something cool that I worked on? You might enjoy it. Yes, I would. If you can't send it in Twitch chat because Twitch is being a bitch about it, send it in my Discord. Anyways, my professor was like, this went on for like a while, but eventually he he just stopped answering questions, bro. It was like, anyway, he dead ass said like you've had enough office hours or some shit. It was like actually insane. It was so horrible, dude. Let me take a look at this shit. This is cool. Yeah, no, I pulled this up. Let me see. Yeah, no, dude, this is so cool. What is this? Just JavaScript then? I mean, I would imagine it is, but what the hell? Oh my god. No, it's so cool though. Oh my god. They say there's I guess there's a GitHub link on here somewhere. I take it. I know. Bitrate hell. Yeah, I know. No, that's so cool though. Let's see. Yeah, if you can send the GitHub, I would love to look at that. I probably won't understand it because this shit is like way out of my league, but I would still love to look at it. No, and I have no idea what it is. It's a guy in Twitch chat that sent me that. Okay, so create user command. Okay, so now I need to create a new file. Markdown file. In the current directory that the current buffer is in. So create new file, Lua. Okay, so I'm guessing there's gotta be like a better way to do this. Like, okay, I guess we'll just do this. Oh, I'm like, dude, I'm crazy overthinking this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so we're gonna have to manage the file path somehow. I think that's pretty manageable though. So yeah, I'm like way overdoing this, dude. Like, because all this needs to be is okay, so this should be a function, and then end down here. Oh, there's already end there. I just brought it over a little bit. Yep. NMD. How do I take parameters in? Oh, here we go. The math is so here. Let me see. Let me see shit. What do we got? Yeah, I'm not gonna act like I understand any of this. C++, GLSL. I don't even know what GLSL is. OpenGL. Okay. No, that is insane though. Okay, so what is it? So it's the installation control. I'm just gonna Google that real quick. These words are far too big for me. Slime molds. Wow. Okay. Let me see if I can comprehend the math. I probably can't, but it's worth a shot. That's just interaction. Is it just main? Draw maybe? I'm not sure where. I don't know where to look. But no, that's really cool though. Is it? Oh, is it shaders? Oh, okay. This is probably, maybe this is it. I don't know. Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. Yep, that's too much math for me. Great project. Can't understand it. This is far above me. This is that is insane. It's so cool. Wow. Damn. Okay. No, that's insane though. Like, holy shit. Oh my god. Damn. Okay, how do I take? I just want to take in like commands or other parameters, bro. It cannot be this hard. I swear. It cannot be this hard. OpenGL is fun to sell. I've heard, like, I did not think like people would say that. I've heard that from multiple people. That it's like fun to learn OpenGL. I don't get it, but I gotta try it at some point, obviously. If it's fun. I was ripped into it, friends. PhD level maths. Oh, okay. That's why it's so far above me. Damn. Okay. That's fair though. That's fair. Okay. Is it like, and then create user command taken args? I would like to be able to pass arguments. Okay. Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. I can open the file now. Although I think I'm still gonna need to find a current working directory, but I think it might. Neva might just handle that for me. I might not have to do anything. I'm not sure about that though. We'll find out in a moment here. Okay, so. Oh, Ria. I haven't heard from you in like so long, dude. Damn, what's up? Okay, why? Just let me take input, please. Oh, is it just like? Oh, okay. I'm like greatly overcomplicating this. I don't need like a type on that, do I? ops.fargs. Okay, so it should just be. No, I haven't streamed in so long. Like, no, I've been crazy busy as well. That's cool though. Are you still in uni then? I don't think I've ever asked. You made it with just using math. I was wrong. That's fair. That's cool though. We'll just do local file name. I'm gonna confuse myself otherwise. Wait, are arrays 1 indexed? Are arrays 1 indexed? Oh, they do. Oh, okay. Okay. Whatever, I guess. So it should just be. I got you. Okay. File name combined with .md write, and then we should file .write. I think living do this is a 3D art thing. Oh, dude, I can't even imagine. I wish you the best of luck with that shit. Yeah, that seems like that seems very stressful. more power to you though. Yeah, that seems like so much work, dude. Like, I can't even imagine. You paid $470. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. That's really cool. Nice. Let me check now. What do you mean at check now? Oh, okay. So if file is not equal to, if I can use Lua, I will use Lua. Yeah, I don't even like Lua that much, honestly. It's not my favorite language. The LSP is not great. Yeah, I should get more comms. I could do them all. Oh, yeah. Well, if I ever have anyone that needs 3D art done, which is unlikely, but to put it out there, I will point them towards you. Check if nil. Love 2D use Lua. Okay. Oh, yeah, right, because Roblox, or at least the Roblox dev side of things, runs on Lua, right? Check if nil. I was gonna say, 'cause it's just foo equals nil. I guess what day, that's fine. Google love 2D. Okay, a second. No. Oh wait, no. That's not a thing in Lua because it's. Okay, can I just? Dude, what's the not equal symbol? Not equals Lua. Oh, right. There's like a. Is that a superset of Lua, or is that like a completely different thing? And this is so weird. Superset. Okay. Why is my format mad at me? I don't even know the syntax for conditionals. If Lua left. Oh, game engine. Okay. If op equals. Oh, it's then. Okay, that. Okay, that's so scuffed. Whatever, bro. Okay, file that right. I need to open it in neovim. So wait, hold on. Let me try this first, I guess. Avatar stuff. Oh, that might be smart. I hope that would work. Or like not work, but you know, like be effective. That'd be cool. I know people like actually make like a killing on Roblox, like, which is weird, but cool, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so file. Okay, file is not equal to nil. File.write. Populate buffer. File name, and then save file. But we also need to open the file then. So open file? Question mark. If this works first time, I'm going to be absolutely ecstatic. Open file Lua. Wait, no, sorry. Open file neovim. Open file in Lua neovim. What's the correct way to open a file using Lua? What the fuck is schedule wrap? That's too much reading for me. Can't be bothered. Okay. I just like, I guess I could. I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. Like, huh? Oh, did my phone just die? Oh, my phone just died. Oh, okay. Well, there goes the camera. I should have charged it. I'm not gonna lie. But here we are. I'm almost done anyways. So like, here we are now. Yeah, bro. Whatever. We'll charge it next time I do this. I would like to start grinding leak code, just for the fun of it. Like, I don't even have any interviews. I'd actually get interviews for that to be truly effective. But that would be like one really fun thing to stream. Well, not inherently fun, but it'd be something to stream. Yeah. And neovim using Lua. I don't know, dude. Wait, is it? Have you got Discord? Is it not? Is my Discord not linked? And oh right, I was gonna look up Love2D. Is my Discord not linked in the Twitch description? Here, if it isn't, let me link it. Oh wait, you just joined. Never mind. My bad. Yeah, I'm in that server. Yeah, that's what you're asking. But holy shit, I was trying. We were talking about that earlier. I don't know what the job market looks like for artists. I'm sure it's not any better. But my buddy, and they're in VC. Oh, I got you. Okay. I was gonna say my buddy is join if you can. I am tired and I don't have the energy to talk to people right now. I'm sorry. My buddy is 250 apps in, no callbacks, 0 callbacks, which is insane. And I can't imagine like the art market is much better, which is, I feel bad for you guys because like that is horrible. No, that's insane though. Yeah. Art being barely a necessity. Yeah. No, actually that makes sense now that you say that. I'm still in high school and live for free. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm living with my parents until I'm 25. Like, I'm just accepting it. Like, unless Google picks me up, which is not likely, nor do I really want Google to pick me up. Or unless some like balling startup picks me up, I'm living with my parents until 25. Yeah, as I commute to college, so that's just kind of standard for me. But yeah, no, dude, like it's like, oh my god, after the UK before, yeah. I got you. I feel bad. No, I know it's like everyone my age is doing it. Yeah, living, just anything economy related is just dog shit right now. It's so bad, dude. I just don't think about it most days because like I can't really affect it. All I can do is work harder. So like, yeah. Why is this like so scuffed? Okay, whatever. Can I just like, oh my god, go up here, close this. So I think it is. I think you're right, Dr. Jam. I think it is just vim dot cmde. Why is that highlighted weird? I don't know, dude. Whatever. Keep your chin, keep programming. That's what I'm doing, dude. That's what I'm doing. I should go concatenate this here. I don't know why I'm not doing that. File name. I guess. What's your Twitch? It is in the Discord. Let me link it. I stream on both. I have better luck with YouTube just because of my subscriber count. That's about right. Oh yeah, I saw it pop up. I'm gonna take a look at that when I'm done here. But it's 1 in the morning to me, and I have to be up at like 8 tomorrow, if not earlier. I'm not getting more than 6 hours sleep now, am I? I'm not. Okay, well, no, okay, whatever. I'll just sleep when I'm old. we're just gonna go with that now. You know what? I'm just gonna go with that mentality. I'm not cmde. Should be file name. I also need just like so local name is equal to ops.fargs1. This is not the prettiest code I've ever written, and I am very well aware of that, believe me. Because like this doesn't need to be there, should be like that. Okay, so if I, in theory, I should be able to lazy.lua. Where's this gonna be written to though? Oh, that's gonna be the, ooh, who knows? Who knows? You might find something that makes you you. Dude, that's what I'm doing right now. Like, I'm just locked in out of my mind constantly. I'm just waiting for good shit to pop up. That's your, what now? Lua? Yeah. No, dude, Lua is gonna kill me. I gotta, okay, I think, okay, I get CWD nvim. I'm so close to getting this working. I think like this actually it's like so close. So Lua function, I think, let me just like try and find is that actually a function? Someone tells me that does not exist, but if it works, it works. So it should be local CWD. All the meaningful values are stored in .lua files. Oh, okay. I think I see what you're getting at. Yeah. Okay, let me try. Okay, yeah, well, yeah. You're gonna yell at me. I don't care. So if let me just restart this. Oh no, that's not good. Oh my god. Oh, everything is going up in flames. Okay, bro. Oh my god. Oh, right. Okay, so I'm gonna have to manually navigate back to this. We're gonna comment this out because I forgot. Cannot be doing this. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna uncomment this. We're not gonna close this editor. We're gonna go over to notes. This is gonna break. Great. Don't care. Actually, well, I do kind of care because I gotta see what's going on, which means I need to actually read what it was yelling at me for. Cannot convert given Lua type. Talk. Some like amazing things. Yeah, if you send them in the Discord, I will take a look at them when I get a chance, and if you want me to, I can look at them on stream. But I gotta finish this so I can sleep. Cause I'm already cooked. It's like I actually want to like do shit tomorrow, and I'm not getting shit done. I'm gonna head out. Yeah, dude. I hope you have more time as well. Good luck with all of your artwork. All of your art is like really cool, which I am not an artist. I am doing very poorly in my art class actually, but in my perspective, your art's it's like totally cool. So good luck with it. Okay, why are you mad at this? Function require. I see. So yeah, TWIG. If you want to send that in the Discord, and I made this, I would totally take a look at it. Oh, is that on HIO? Oh yeah, I know what that is, or not know what that is, but I know what you're referring to. Error let me check. Init Lua at 23, so at actually right here. I wonder, like, am I just formatting this wrong? What am I doing wrong here, man? So, okay, you know, can I give Lua type for a sec? Let me look. Make sure I'm taking args correctly. Love 2D. I've seen this. Oh wow, there's like actually a bunch of stuff that's made with it. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, that's neat. Okay, let me so create user command with args. Args. Missing an args instead of use arg instead of farg. So is it just? I might be doing it wrong. I'm not sure, to be frank. Access parameter. Okay, so it's function build, pass in args, and args is nothing. Oh wait, am I doing this? Am I being stupid about this? Don't answer that. I probably am. If I'm not supposed to be doing it the way that I'm doing it at the moment, I think it's like, here, let's try this. Like, if I just do like function nmd ops and we're gonna take all of this in, and then instead of doing this, we're just gonna do nmd like this. Okay, let me see how it feels about that. Q quit. I just want to quit. There we go. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. Okay. Create user command. Yeah, TWIG. If you want to send that in the Discord, I can take a look at it later. But I'm not gonna run any exes, partially because I can't. Command not found. Create user command. Function require. Command. Oh wait. Hold on. The entire create user command as a function is not found. Oh, it's nvim create user command. I think it's. Oh, good shit, man. All right, see you, dude. Thanks for staying this long. Yeah, thank you. API command. Okay, let's try that. Let me see. Let me open back. Oh, I can see it from here. I expected 3 arguments. This should actually be nm create user command. I think nargs should just be question mark. I don't know what nargs is. And you look at your permissions. You should have permission to send it wherever you want. I don't have anything here. I can view the server as your role. Give me 1 second. Settings. Server as role. Yeah, no, you should be able to send it wherever you want. And my cat is like snoring now. Okay, that's like mildly distracting. Okay, that work. Invalid command must start with uppercase. Oh, the more you know. Okay. Okay, we close this. Expected function or string. Is it one? Direct. Ops. I guess I didn't think it would want that. What is like above here? Maybe, I don't know, dude. Oh, okay, I should probably go to bed. Even I've not gotten this done for shit. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Chill. There we go. You have permission to send messages in this channel. Make sure. No, you should. Unless there's a timeout. Yeah, sorry, man. I'll take a look at that later. You have oh wait, that actually got working. Hold on. NMD file. See what happens. No file name. Okay. So. Okay, I'm guessing that's. Wait, where's that error from? Editor init lieu 30. So at 30, vim not cmde. Okay, print the file name. Let's see what it is. I swear to God, we're so close to like getting this working, bro. You gotta believe me. 31. Here, okay. If I just ignore that and I don't do that, and I restart neovim, nmd file. Oh, you know what? I probably shouldn't have done that here because it's gonna like make my life super hard now. Let me go to like just my neovim folder. Maybe fine. So if I do this, nmd file, at 28, bad argument, I'm going to write file pointer expected gut string, so 28, this gut string. I just want YouTube dev. Not sure what you mean by that, dude. Okay, so why is this not? Why is this tweaking out? Okay, I really wanted to finish this tonight, but I guess I'm going to bed. Okay. You know what? We're gonna call it a night here, cause yeah, I gotta sleep. Holy shit, we peaked 12 viewers. Damn. Okay. Cool. Yeah, in your server I don't have YouTube dev so I can post. You shouldn't need anything else to post. Yeah, alright, well, thanks for getting 12 acre stack, guys. That was insane. Damn, I didn't expect to look and see that. Alright, peace out. See you guys later.